Hello guys and welcome to Gen X Coding YouTube channel. In the last video, I showed you how to create a simple quiz game in Python. Today I'm going to show you how to add sound effects and music to that quiz game in Python. So let's get started. So what we're going to be doing is basically add a correct sound effect if the user gets the question right, and if the user gets the question wrong, we're going to put a wrong sound effect. Along with that, we will also be adding background music throughout the whole game. So what I want you guys to do is basically go to my GitHub. When you go to my GitHub, there will be these three files: background music.wave, buzzer.wave, and correct.wave. All you have to do is click on the file and there will be a download button. Once you click the download button, there will be a pop-up and the file will start downloading. Go to your file explorer, you should see these three files. What you basically have to do is click on the file and right click on it and then go to properties. You will see this location over here. Copy that. We will need that in our code. So now since you have downloaded all the files, we can now start the coding process. So what I'm going to do first is import Pygame. Next, from Pygame, I'm going to import Mixer. Now we're going to initialize the mixer, and then now we're going to create two variables called wrong sound and correct sound. So over here now what we're going to write is pygame.mixer.sound, and make sure the S for sound is capital, and then you will just put two brackets. Next we're going to write the same thing over here and put the two brackets. So now in the brackets we copied the location of our file. So what you're going to do is type R, then a single apostrophe and paste the location. Then you're going to do a backslash and type the name of the files. So one of my files was buzzer for the wrong sound. So we're going to write buzzer.wave and you should see this pop-up thing. Just click on that. And for here, we're going to do the same thing. Just copy paste it, do a backslash. And for this one, I'm going to say correct dot wave, a single apostrophe at the end. So now we have to run the sound whenever the user gets it correct. So what we're going to do, put our statement under the if statement. So if the user gets it correct, we're going to type correct underscore sound dot play. So it will play the correct sound effect. Now I'm going to copy the same statement and put it in for every single question. So for question number 2, I'm going to put it in the if statement, and for question number 3, I'm also going to put it in the if statement. Now we're going to do the same thing for when the user gets the question wrong. So we're going to do wrong underscore sound dot play. Now I'll copy this and put it again for each question. So for question number 2, we're going to put it in the else statement, and for question number 3 also. So now I will show you guys by running it. So now when we run the program, it comes, welcome to the simple quiz game. You will have one chance to answer correctly. Please put the alphabet of the answer. So now for question number 1, I'm going to put the correct answer by saying C. As you heard, there was a ding saying that we got the question correct. Now for question number 2, I'll do a wrong answer. So I'll put A. So for the third question, what is the largest city of Canada? I will put the wrong answer by saying F. As you heard, there's a buzzer. The correct answer is B. Better luck next time. Your score was 1. Thank you for playing the simple quiz game. As you can see, the sound effects are working perfectly. So now I will show you guys how to put in the background music. So basically what we have to do is pygame.init, and then we are going to write mixer.music.load, and then again r apostrophe paste this location once more. and then we're going to do another backslash and type the name of our file, which is background underscore music dot wave, then close the single apostrophe and brackets. So now we need to play the background music. So mixer dot music dot play. So inside the bracket we're going to put a -1, so it loops the sound and it does not stop. So now I will show you guys this by running it. So as you guys heard, the music was playing the whole time and also the sound effects were working perfectly while the music was playing. So that's it guys, that's how you add sound effects and background music in Python. Be sure to check out my next video which will be coming very soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Gen X Coding YouTube channel. Bye bye.